Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, finally I have my mic, so from now on the stream is going pretty much sick. Because yeah, I was having some issues on a mic, like on every stream. Like I don't know how many stream I did, like 20, 30 streams. So it's always been a mic issues for me. But from now on there will not be any mic issues. Or let me show. Can you be able to hit like just a second? Let me confirm my. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it's visible there also now. Okay. So just a quick walkthrough of the hack the box machine that I did of Permx, because if you see, I don't know why it's not logging me in, but yeah, if you see my YouTube channel, second, still, yeah. So if you like have seen my previous stream, this two was kind of separated one and it's like a jumble. So I thought like this was a live uh, live thing that I did on hack the box, but now what I'm going to do is like basically a walkthrough of this stuff. So this is going to be a quick one explaining things and stuff, but this one is not much that much detail is the last two previous one. Yeah, there you go. I think the machine is not up, but the machine is up, but somehow I'm not getting into the hack the box because of some reason. So we quickly get connected to the hack the box open VPN. Okay, I think I just entered some wrong credentials. Yeah, there you go. So the IP is actually this one. Yeah, this is the IP. So if you just, I'm just explaining you as a newbie. So let me remove the like vhost. Okay, let me first export the IP just to make sure that I don't mess up with the things. So this is the IP, so I can just remove the line from hosts just to keep like things as default when you just start the machine. Yeah, I'm just removing this line, or I can just comment it for now. So if you first time like try to visit the IP that you only get, it's gonna redirect me to the Permx.stv, but somehow it's saved on a cache, so that's why it's directly like showing me that stuff. Like if I just go here, you can see that it's trying to redirect me to the Permx.stb. But if you don't have, like if you haven't set it on a etc host, so it's gonna like not show anything. So for that, like you can see the redirection is trying to do like is Permx.stb. From there you can just get an idea that, oh yeah, I had to put the Permx.stb in a ehost so that it should know where to route the particular IP, right? So after that you can just go to nvim and just add the line with the IP. In my case, I'm just removing the comment line. So after that, you'll come to this endpoint now, this Permx at least. After fuzzing, you'll end up getting nothing, right? It's just like I tried triple forcing all this stuff, fuzzing, getting an IP, try SQLi, finding possible usernames and all this stuff. But let me tell you, you won't find anything in single penny. After that, you had to do a vhost, like vhost emulation. For that, this is the script. I am using a grip 200 because I wanted only 200 status, but somehow it was showing all these status like 302, 404, all this stuff for some reason, but I didn't want that. If I just show you this, so what I'm doing here is just trying to do a vhost, like fuzzing on this particular URL, and I want to like append a domain, like I mean to append in every time here, and I'm using this particular awesome 2000 top 10, like a top 200, I don't know, 2000 subdomains names. So if I just hit enter, see, this was the issue. I'm getting a 200, and I tried to see some of the like go buster extension to like not give 302 status, but I just need to give 200. Just we are a bass guy. The basic one was to know the CMS, and if you go to the content, there we find a Camilio one, the version of this, right? So the version we know now though is Camilio one. After that, you can just search Camilio. What is the name? Sorry for pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, Camilio one exploit. If you just type this, you come to a like GitHub page. If I just want to type this one, so you come to a GitHub page that is of M3000, or you can just use any of these. But this one is like pretty much straightforward. Like it has like this one is particularly CB of 2023-4220 for a remote code execution and an unauthorized file upload. So it's unauthorized authenticated big file upload to an RCU, right? So basically we now upload a web shell. So that's what I mean when you talk about an unauthorized file upload vulnerabilities. So it's a pretty much straightforward POCs. You just have to quick clone and install a requirement. After that, you can just run this particular exploit. I don't want to do scan. Like you can do a scan, it will just say vulnerable. You can just go with this one, like web shell, because we are gonna attack as for web shell, right? So the command is straightforward. If I just go to just a second, my tools, let's go to STV and Permx. Sorry for that. STV, Permx, and Camilio. Yeah, there you go. So on here, if I just run Python 3 exploit.py, which is our or you can just run main. So this is the command lms Permx or something, or you can just do scan for like if you want to like check if it's vulnerable or not. You can say that it's likely vulnerable, go ahead. So we have a go ahead. We can just go for exploit. You can just type cell. This is a cell web cell. You can just type web cell, and basically now you can just give a name. I just want to give anything, like maybe it's s2, just for example. And now what it's gonna do is just basically it's gonna rename the file of website.psp to s2.psp. So the command line would be something like this. So this is a web shell, and we can just curl this stuff, and if I have ID, you can see we are adaptive data. Oh wow, that's cool, right? So the next thing is to get maybe RC, like reverse shell. So you can just set up a netcat, like whichever port you want to, like listen, it's up to you. So since we have a like web shell for remote code executions, but there are some limitations on web shells because of the cell environment. So what I'm gonna do next is that there is a popular website called webshells.com, which is made by Ode, and it's actually pretty cool. Like you don't have to remember the exploits, the code, or the reverse shells. It has already a bunch of collections. Like if you want to take a reverse shell, pine shell, NSF shell, hawk shell, and you can also choose a like platform you want. Like for me, it's Linux, and I just have to give the IP I want to listen. So it's 10.10.14.2.3. Let me confirm that if that's the same for me also. Yeah, it's 27. It's 14.27. It's actually a different one, so I'll just change it, and you can see like all the payloads are changed automatically. So I can like do one more thing, that is just a second. Let me copy this call command very quick. Yeah, if I just I can get it with Python, and for space I think it's %20 for space. Just a second, what is the like let me do one thing. I'll just copy this entire command in browser. There you go. So it seems like we don't have Python here. We do have a netcat. We do have a netcat. So yeah, if I just do netcat, we have a netcat. We do have a busybox, because busybox was way stable than Netcat. We have a busy box, so uh, like there is a small suggestion. If you have a busy box and a Netcat, let's go with the busy box because they are pretty much reliable one. So we have a busy box netcast, so we'll just copy this entire command, or you can just paste it in a browser or the CLH, doesn't matter, it's the same. So it's saying that connection is from a particular IPN port, so that means we are in a cell. And just to update, you can just use python 3-c to execute inline python command. So you can just import a p2i binary like modules from a python, and p2i then spawn, and you can just spawn whatever you want. I want to spawn bin bash shell because bin bash, most of the Linux has that bin bash shell. So now I'm getting a pretty much shell. So you cannot do clear stuff because the environment variable are not set. So you can just export and term equals to xterm. Xterm is basically an environment variable. I can just now do clear stuff and all stuff. Let me fully string this. And after like you come to this endpoint, you can try a limpies and all these steps, but you're not gonna find something, or you're gonna find something. Actually, you can try that. So you have to like do a little bit of fuzz and var. It's kind of same escalations I did there. So you're gonna like take this command and I'm going to append this in a pseudo file. Like I'm just going to copy this one and echo. On our case, the user is MPC, and I'm going to give no password and all the permissions, and I'm gonna append it to the correct. This is the issue. I think the file is already been deleted. Yeah, so I have to do it very quick because the machine is being resetted on every like some time. So let me create a symbolic link first. Oh, it's just a second. Is my machine broken or something? Yeah. After create a symbolic link, what did I create something? Oh no, wait. So let me go up. Yeah. First create a symbolic link, then give a permissions of read and write, and you can just mention a name. Okay, let me show you something. Right. Yeah, you can do something like this one. Like I did an uploaded admin machine, so it's something like same. You can echo root user to a bin bash, so on a etc folder. So what we are going to do is like we are gonna like do the same. You can just gonna create assembly link for etc password file, and after that we're gonna do the same like changes. So etc/pswd file to our like home mtz. Let's say it was a pass crack, doesn't matter, right? And we can just open off this system where they go. Okay, just a second. Is this not working? Like the stream is paused again. Don't say me that. I think the stream was paused again. No god, please. Yeah, it was working. So see ya, bye guys. Have a lovely day.